I've just been brining this chicken for a day. Just gonna keep it real basic. Just open it up like that, so it can go that side down. I'm just gonna cut some slashes into it so that it cooks through more evenly. Remove the peggy hair. You probably won't have peggy's hair in your chicken. Remove whatever style of pet hair that you have in your food. Chinese 5-spice. Go quite heavy with that. Sugar. Westerners tend to be a little bit nervous about using sugar in savory food, but with Chinese foods, it's pretty safe. If you think about stuff like hoisin sauce, which when you're eating it, it's like, oh my God, this is amazing. When you've got that sweet brown sauce in like a banh mi, and it's complemented by all the saltiness and spiciness, it works. So don't be afraid of the sweet stuff when you're doing Chinese food. As a chef, I obviously never actually sat down to do anything, so everything just feels thrown at the moment. It feels like I'm working with 2 left hands. I could do something about that, but I won't. A little bit of chili oil. Instead of salt, we'll use some soy. Chinese cooking wine, just a dash. You can probably let this to marinate for a couple of days, but because I've been brining mine, I'm just going to chuck it straight on the barbie. It needs to be cooked. Enough waiting. I'll do tin foil to separate this from my shovel barbecue, because God knows whether or not that will work.